check your Wi-Fi data usage on an Android phone. This helps you monitor how much internet you've used while connected to Wi-Fi. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Next, tap Mobile Network, then select Data Usage. On some phones, you may need to tap Wi-Fi data usage directly. Here, you'll see the total amount of Wi-Fi data your phone has used over a specific period. You can also tap Wi-Fi data usage to view more details, including which apps are using the most Wi-Fi data. If you don't see this option, use the search bar at the top of the Settings app and search for Data Usage or Wi-Fi data usage. Depending on your Android version, the menu location may be slightly different. And that's it. That's how you can quickly check your Wi-Fi data usage and keep track of your internet consumption on Android. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more Android tips and easy how-to guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.